When a die casting tool fails, it not only creates a critical situation in your production line, but also causes defects that can halt your operations. This exact challenge was recently faced by one of our customers. The customer had a die casting tool fail, producing the issue you see circled in the photo. The bigger problem was that no 3D data existed to repair the tool. We then produced a 3D scan of the tool and verified it to the part. Then we produced an accurate model of the tool to facilitate a repair. The tool was welded up, and this video shows the welded tool being machined back to the correct specification. At Anderson Global, we go beyond providing solutions, we strive to surpass your expectations. Our approach involves not just diagnosing the problem, but also crafting a meticulously machined tool that transforms critical situations into success stories. With Anderson Global, you're choosing precision, innovation, and excellence. Let us turn your challenges into our next triumph.